Next, you will learn what is internal energy. In fact, internal energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Internal energy, Chinese means 內能. Okay, it is the sum of the kinetic energy and potential energy of the atoms. Okay, of the atoms. Okay. In the following table, let's see the relation between temperature, state of matter, and kinetic energy of atoms, potential energy of atoms, internal energy of atoms. First, the kinetic energy of atoms is related to temperature, and the potential energy of atom is related to separation between atoms. Okay, this is the symbol for between. Okay, potential energy of atoms is related to separation of atoms. When there is a change in temperature, okay, when the temperature of a substance changes, the kinetic energy of the atoms also changes. Okay, if the temperature increases, then the kinetic energy of atoms will increases. However, if the temperature decreases, okay, the kinetic energy of atoms will also decreases. Next, the potential energy of atoms is related to separation of between the atoms, and this happens when the change of separations of between atoms happens when the state of matter changes. Okay, when it changes from solid to liquid, okay, the separation between the atoms will increases. In this case, the potential energy of atoms will also increases. However, if it changes from liquid state to solid state, in this case, the separation between the atoms will decreases. Also, the potential energy of atoms will decrease. When the substance changes from liquid state to gaseous state, the separation between atoms will also increases. Therefore, the potential energy of atoms will also increases. If in this case, if the gas changes state to liquid, okay, in this case, the separation between the atoms will also decreases. Okay, as a result, the potential energy of atom will also decreases. Internal energy of atoms is a sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of atoms. Okay, therefore, when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the atoms will also increases. Okay, hence the internal energy of atoms will also increases. Okay, when the substance changes from solid state to liquid state, the separation between the atoms will increases. Therefore, the internal energy of atoms will also increases. Okay, and as a result, internal energy of atoms is affected by both the temperature and the state of matters. Whenever there is change in temperature and whenever there is a change of state of matter, the kinetic energy or the potential energy will changes. Therefore, the internal energy of atoms will also changes. Let's see what is the meaning of law of conservation of energy, 能量守恒定律. law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created 製造 nor destroyed 毀滅。But energy can be transformed 轉換 from one form to another form。能量可以由一種嘅能量轉到另外一種能量。能量唔可以係被製造出嚟，亦都唔可以被破壞。What does it mean? Take for example of a light bulb. If the light bulb is connected to an electrical source, it will dissipate electrical energy. Okay? And electrical energy will be consumed, and this kind of energy will be changed to other forms of energy. What is the other form of energy? Of course, the light bulb will emit light energy, okay? It will change to light energy. And also, the surface will be very hot, okay? It also emits heat energy. Understand? Therefore, we say, in this case, the electrical energy is converted or transformed to light and heat energy. Okay, the unit of energy is joules, Joule, J. Okay, if there are 100 joules of electrical energy, it's changed to 100 joules of light and heat energy. We say energy can be transformed from one form, electrical energy, to another forms is light and heat energy. Okay, but in the universe, okay, there is no missing of energy. There is still 100 joules of energy here. Understand? That means 100 joules of this kind of energies disappear, and we get another 100 joules of other forms of energy. Okay, that means the total amount of energy in the universe remain constant. This is the law of conservation of energy.